Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 823, and that is in continuation of the explosive chemicals. And today's two explosives are there. They are actually diazonium salts, and all these diazonium salts are highly explosive and it is used for military purpose. One is dinol and second one is tetracene. So this dinol is actually a nitroderivative of phenol, and it is prepared and used for explosive purpose, and it was first prepared in 1958, and it was used as a dye, and later on this diazonium compound was used as explosive. So here the military explosives dinol and tetracene. Dinol, it was first diazo compound. It was first diazonium or diazo compound which was used as an explosive in the year 1958 by Greece. Greece is the discoverer of this dinol diazonium compound for the purpose of explosive, and it was subsequently used to make dyes and later on explosives. Actually, in the beginning it was used to manufacture different type of dyes because it was having very good shining orange color, but later on they found that it is highly explosive, and then they realized that all the diazonium salts, they are very good explosive, and it is yellow crystalline compound, and if it is impure then it may be dark yellow in color. Dinol is diazonium nitrophenol, or in other words we can call it 4,6-dinitrobenzene. That is your 4,6-dinitro, this is your benzene. That is here 4,6-dinitro benzene, and then it is generally used as primary explosive and prepared it by diazotizing picrimic acid. So diazotization of picrimic acid, this is your picrimic acid. Once it is diazotized, you will get dinol. This is diazonium compound, or in other words we can write in a simplified way like this. And dinol is having formula C6H2N4O5. It is highly soluble in acetic acid, acetone, and some other organic solvent. It is very little soluble in water, and also it is highly soluble in concentrated hydrochloric acid, and then it can be destroyed. If suppose you want to destroy dinol, just prepare sodium hydroxide solution and put there, it will be immediately neutralized. And dinol is used with other materials where high sensitive flame or heat is desired. It is often used as an initiating explosive in propellant primary devices. So next is tetracene, and the word tetra indicates that it contains 4 cyclic ring, aromatic ring, and it is also known as anthracene nucleus. But after converting it into azide, into nitro derivatives, it is used as a explosive. And this tetracene nowadays is getting lot of importance because in Japan, that is in Osaka University and one other university, Osoro, something like that, I have mentioned, they have reported that it works as a electric charge with single crystal can transmit the light. So it's a very new type of discovery apart from its explosive nature. So this one tetracene, it can be prepared by first reducing nitroguanidine to amino nitroguanidine to aminoguanidine, and the later produces nitroaminoguanidine on the treatment with sodium nitrite, and then with acid, the sum of the nitrosoaminoguanidine loses water molecule and form guanyl azide. So this is your formation of guanyl azide. It became highly explosive with this more nitrogen linked, and which combined with remaining nitrosoaminoguanidine to form tetracene. So these steps are given: nitroguanidine converted into aminoguanidine, and that aminoguanidine converted into nitrosoamino and guanidine, and then it is guanyl azide, and then in presence of nitrosamine and guanidine, it is converted into tetracene, and the structure of tetracene is given here, and it has the formula C2H6N10H2O. Tetracene is an explosive material used for sensitization of primary compositions. Tetracene is also called nephracene because it has tetracyclic aromatic ring hydrocarbon, and it has the appearance of pale orange color powder. It is molecular organic semiconductor used in organic field effect as a transistor. Latest from Tohoku is a university, and the other university is one is Tohoku, and they are using as semiconductor, and the other university is Osaka. So the appearance of pale powder, it is molecular organic semiconductor used in organic field as a transistor. Latest from Tohoku and Osaka, Japan, reported that an ambipolar means which is having dipole electrical charge, light emitting transistor made of single crystal of tetracene. So this is the latest discovery about the tetracene. It is used as a electrical transistor and also as an explosive. So with this, your explosive chapter is over. With lot of nitroderivative diazonium salts are discussed as explosive. Now next chapter is that is toxic chemicals, how they are synthesized and used. So once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.